All right, gang, welcome to today's reaction points for Friday, January 23rd, 2026. Now, there is indeed a winter storm brewing across the United States, but there's even a bigger storm brewing in the markets and in your personal trading if you don't have a plan. So I'm going to break down exactly. Hopefully, you've been learning and gaining some nuggets from these videos on a daily basis, but I'm going to show you the opportunity. Now, first glance here, this looks like a pretty choppy mess. In fact, the markets ended mixed for the week. S&P basically flat, unchanged. NASDAQ modest gains. Dow ended up in the red, and the Russell took it on the chin, down nearly 2% for the day. So this may look like choppy, may look like range consolidation, no way you could make money. Well, I beg to the contrary. There were plenty of opportunities here, and I'm going to show you just using this template alone. So as we moved into the opening cash bell, notice that the S&P came down, took out the European lows here by literally a tick or two, ended up putting a 3S code bottom. Those were the lows of the day. Now, this was a very important area here, 69.28, 69.29. That happened to be our L1 buy level. In fact, it's been our L1 buy level the last couple of days. We were able to pull up 35 points on Thursday, another 30 points here by buying the low of the day here pre-market, and then also turn around and selling that market at 69.58, which we'll cover in just a second. So we had a validation here of a key level. We also were taking out the euro lows. We're looking to trade the sweep, okay? So now we work ourselves up. We have a move back higher. People are wondering, well, why did we stop here? Why did the markets reverse here? Note that we've taken out both the Asia high and the European high right here. We put in a reversal with a divergent sell signal and a 3S code. And guess what? That was our L1 sell level of today, 69.56. Okay, so 59.66. I'll turn on the drawing tools. 69.56 was right here. So we traded up and through that. Then we hit the euro high, Asia high, clean those out. And then that was the high of the day. We had to move back down to our 30 level. So great trading there in the S&P using confirmation tools such as 3S code and CPI divergence. If we move over into gold, gold continues to be strong. Again, not a market that I am interested in fading at all. But what we're doing is focusing here, this move to the upside. After about an hour and a half of trading, we clear out Asia high, Euro high. We do get a 3S code sell that does hit target 1 and ultimately target 2 before reversing into the day. But it's a very low odd trade trying to fade gold in such a strong market with very little levels to look at to the upside. Lastly, let's go to crude oil. Crude oil also strong, coming right out of the gate. This is continuing strength here from Europe, so we're going to expect the market to be strong as well. We had a level here at around 61.05. In fact, this is pulled from our daily trade machine, 61.03. Let's round it up to 61.05. Here is that move into 61.05. We get a failed 3S code sell signal here. We have rules on why we wouldn't trade that because the averages are spread. If we go higher, we get a 3S code and a divergence here right at this level. Excuse me. Let me pull. There we go. Right here. Here's our divergent sell signal, another 3S code. Notice the averages are rolling over. We hit target 1, we hit target 2, basically to the tick, and then we end up trading and grinding higher to the upside. So look, guys, there are a couple trades there all done basically before the market or maybe into the first hour, hour and a half of the day. Shut the screen down, shut the laptop down, be done. Those are your A-plus setups, and that's exactly what we look for. We look for 1, 2, maybe 3 A-plus setups before 11 Central, before lunchtime. Be done. And if we really want the action where the markets are moving, providing opportunity, we can come back in that last hour, hour and a half of the day for power hour into the close. But all in all, another great day trading this methodology, this system using our simple to follow price action tools. If you want to learn more about this, make sure to go to t2markets.com. Book a call with me. I'd love to walk you through how all this works, how we put everything together. Have a tremendous week. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, comment, send some feedback, spread some love, stay warm out there. There's a storm always brewing in the market. The plan is, are you going to be ready or not? Have a great weekend and talk soon.